So a reference is a number that ends in zeros, and it is very valuable when you are multiplying. Let us today look at reference 200. 200 is a number that begins by 2 and is followed by 2 zeros. That is a reference that we can use. And we can use this reference to multiply numbers that are close to 200 and very, very easily. Let us say I have a number like 196, and I'm going to multiply that by another number 198. And so I'm wondering how I'm going to multiply that. It's no point going 3 lines landing. You simply look for the differences between the number and its reference. The difference between 196 and 200 is just 4. While the difference between 198 and 200 is just 2. So like we did in the previous references, you subtract the difference of one number from the other number. So in this case, you either subtract 2 from 196 or subtract 4 from 198. The answer will always be the same. So you can attack the easier one for you to subtract. So me, I'm attacking 2 from 196, and my answer remains 194. Once I reach this point here, before I do anything else, I now multiply this remainder 194 by the beginning digit of the reference. In other words, I double 194. So when you double this 194, then you are talking about 883. So you have 388 after doubling that 194. And that is your first part of the answer. The last part of the answer, you simply multiply the differences. 2 times 4. That gives you 8. But 8 is one digit. And as I told you before, this portion of the product of differences must always be stated in the format of the number of zeros of the reference. This is 8, one digit. The reference has 2 zeros, so you must state that 8 in 2-digit form. And in that case, then you use 0 as your placeholder. So you put 0 first, and then put 8, and your answer of 196 times 198 is 38,808. So it becomes that simple. And you see, this portion of doubling is a mental question if you have followed my multiplication skills of 1 to 3. This is 3 digits, this 1 digit. So however, if you haven't followed, you just double them the usual way and then get to the answer.